You guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing Sensational What Lace from the Hairline collection, and I will have Reyna in the color Money Piece Hazel. I've been dying to get this wig, you guys. I just want to let you know, due to copywriting issues, I will be fast forwarding through some of this video because of me paying Beyoncé in most of the background. But the construction of the wig is normal. The two adjustable straps, I just keep saying that. Two combs, an adjustable strap, and a comb in the back. The con I don't like about this wig is the lace. It is that transparent lace. You can see it, and here is the front of the hairline, but let's begin. Here, I'm just letting you see what it looks like when it's on your head, and it does look bomb. Too bad that lace is real light, but I am going to show you how to make it blend to make it look real even nicer on your head. But look at that parting space. Oh my goodness. Sensational. You really got one. Let me stop talking. Go ahead and finish enjoying, you guys. So I had to go off camera and redo the sides, and I didn't want to make the lace too hard, so that's what the hair looks like. And this is the powder. So y'all see that? That's the color of the lace. And usually I don't put powder on the perimeter. With transparent lace, you're always going to see that light halo. All right, just to interject myself, I want to let you know blending both of them does work. I'm also going to insert a video. Here it is right here. And yes, she blends very well. Once again, once you use a darker color with your color powder. Look at it. It is bomb. So I don't know if it's because I had the lighting too bright, but she blended very well, guys. Like me having to even put powder up here, period, is just annoying. You get the Sensational What Lace collection. Whenever you are trying to blend your wigs, I advise you to use a cap. And I also advise you to use your skin tone powder plus a darker one to mix it in together to make it match, because see, you can see like that. That's not hot. So you basically can't wear the natural hairline look. And usually I pluck it to make it a little bit natural, but I'm not even messing with it. I like this hairline better than Morgan's. And I'm just putting powder inside the parts. The back part looks like it's good, but yeah, it kind of sucks because I just wanted to wear the natural hairline. And look at this. Size it looking like that. This hairline is very make a darker lace, because this transparent lace is not it. It's not. You better be careful, because she do snag. I mean, she is like a tight curly texture, but I wanted her because of this look, and it reminded me of like Beyonce. And I didn't really see nobody really do the money piece Hazel. I would do different hairstyles for you guys, but I ain't even try to mess with her right now. She's real like big and poofy, and I ain't got time to be. And when I wear her tomorrow, I'm gonna probably wear it up anyway. So I'm gonna post pictures, but you have to make sure that you follow me on my Instagram. And I changed it to Let's Begin _ and it's Let's with a Z. I do not feel like putting baby hairs in here, y'all. I really don't. I really do not feel like putting baby hairs in it, because I know I'm gonna have to because of the hairline. But yeah. So this is basically her. Like, subscribe, let me know what you think. Is there anything else that you want me to do? If you had Reyna, let me know how it is. I think I'm definitely going to revamp her, because I already know she's going to tingle. And there's so many things I want to do with her. I want to wear her in wetter and all types of stuff. But like I said, right now, I just don't feel like doing that. And as y'all can see, don't even talk about my eyebrows. I didn't even finish them. I just wanted to make sure I did this so that it can be done, because I have been slacking. Like, subscribe, thumbs up, subscribe, follow me. Until next time, guys. This is sensational. Sensational. I just. Sensational. Why you do this to me?